Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset setting on iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new option will open on your screen just like that. Here you can see a option general, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see at the bottom of the screen you can see option of transfer or reset iPhone, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen, just tap on reset. When you tap on reset, you can see there are several other options you can see on your screen. Just tap on reset all settings. When you tap on reset all settings, here you ask for enter your password for confirmation and press the reset all setting to commerce. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.